300 bodies found in mass grave at Gaza hospital. That's the news of today. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a tectonic, aka JigSaw Sudoku, in today's newspaper on Tuesday, April the 23rd, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star and the 4-star Sudoku. It's time for the JigSaw Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper, we have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will continue with the JigSaw Sudoku, aka tectonic, and this will be number 8411. 8411. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one, Because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. Alright. And so I think it's an easy one. Maybe a 1-star. Maybe a 2 stars. It's indicated with 3 stars. For 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. For 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. But it's indicated with 3 stars. And for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. We have 2 single boxes here. Always a 1. Okay. Do we have here dual boxes? I see here only 1 dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. How about triple boxes? Do we have here triple boxes in this puzzle? No triple boxes here. Contains the 1 and 2 and the 3. I see here quadra boxes. Here, quadra box. Here and there. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So the 4 should be there. This box can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. And the other number 2 could be everywhere. Here another one. This box can be a 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 2 here. That means that this box in the dual box can be a 2. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now, these 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1, and this quadra box should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3, 2 and 3. Okay. Here, another quadra box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. Insufficient information right now. Alright. Then, let me see. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another one, but mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No. Then the following shape, figure, structures or constructions, whatever you name it. No, this is the only one. Yeah. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize. Yes, only 1. Maximum of 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 1 of the 6 figures, structures, constructions, shapes, whatever you name it, that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Alright, this box can be 4, this box can be 5, so the 4 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So one digit left in this area for number 1. These two boxes can be a 1, that box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. And these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. 4 and 5, we have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. Then let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area supposed to be there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. Then these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this quadrat box should be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. That box can be, those 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape should be here. Alright. And then let me see. One, okay. Well. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. Alright. Then this box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that box cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this quadrat box should be here or there. Alright. Then. This box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. It means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be a 3, but also this box can be a 1. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area. For number 5, okay. Then, let me see. 4. Need a 4 here. 1 and a 2. Okay. Let me think. This box cannot be a 3. We have a double 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Yeah. This box can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, 5, 4. So 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah. Come on. This box can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1. That box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 3. Need a 3 there. Well. These 2 boxes can be 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left with 5 in this area. Should be there. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 2, 3. Overlooked something. This box can be 3. So the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair in this quarter box. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. And I've eliminated here the 5. So the 5 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 1. So the 1 goes here. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape. 4 numbers 3 and a 5. 3 to 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. Okay, these 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this quarter box. Should be there. And I've eliminated here the 1. So the 1 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 3. So the 3 goes there. Alright, this box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area, should be there, and I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 1 is connected with that box, should be so 1. Here we have 1 and a 3, we have 1 now, so no 1 there, 1 should be here and a 3 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, 2 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left. In this W area shape, 4 numbers, 1 and a 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. Alright, this box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for 2 in this area, should be there, so 2 numbers left in this area, 4 numbers, 4, and 5, 4 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be a 4, can be a 5, yes, definitely 3, 2 numbers left in this area, 4 numbers, 1, and 2, we have a 2 there, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1, we have a 1 now, so this box can be a 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And I've eliminated here the 4. So the 4 goes here. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be a 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there, and the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Well, faster than 50 minutes, and faster than 40 minutes. So should be a 0 star, not a 1 or a 2 stars per zone. 0 stars, and we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now.